Be going to. Use be going to talk about future plans or intentions. For example, I'm going to give a talk at the conference. I made my decision in the past, but I am going to give my talk in the future. Concept. We are talking about the future. There is a plan. I decided to do it in the past. There isn't a definite arrangement. We also use be going to make a prediction. For example, look at those dark clouds. It is going to rain. So I have the evidence, dark clouds, and I make the prediction. It is going to rain. Concept. We are talking about the future. We are making a prediction. We have the evidence for this prediction.